Management staff at the United Bulawayo hospitals are under fire after the Deputy Minister of Health and Childcare, Suleiman Kwedini, unearthed a procurement scandal at the hospital during a tour. Deputy Minister Kwedini said a syndicate involving the Chief Medical Officer, Dr. William Busumani, the Acting Operations Director, and other staff at the hospital were allegedly victimizing other hospital officials to replace them with people aligned to their camp. The Deputy Minister said part of the shenanigans happening at the hospital involved staffers who made patients buy medication that was supposed to be provided free of charge at the hospital.
The problem at UBH is not the government problem. It's individual, especially the CMO, the clinical director, the operations director. It appears that the clinical director is not aware of everything which is happening. It will be hearsay to him. So I think my recommendation, there is need as the ministry to send a team which is supposed to come and investigate and see, because it means with this short period of time we are here, there are so much shenanigans or so much things which are happening under ground. So it means if we send a team to come and actually verify, it's unfortunate that our auditors, some of our auditors who have sent here, they are the ones who preempt to the departments as to say, we are going to suspend you, we are going to be suspended after our audit. I don't know, maybe something which has been happening before, but I don't think it's right. When an auditor has been sent to ground, is going to do for the good of the government.
The Deputy Minister added that the Health Minister will activate further investigations, but in the meantime, those who had been suspended will resume their duties awaiting disciplinary hearings.
UBH is one of the institutions which is causing this trouble, especially the management. They are not, they don't have unit for purpose. Each and everyone does what he thinks or she thinks is right for himself, not for the patients. So I recommend that maybe we send a team, a delegation which is going to do the fact finding and maybe check out everything which is hidden, especially which is hindering the quality health service delivery.
We're now joined live by Andile Chuma for more insights on the subject. Andile, we understand that the Health Ministry delegation raised serious concerns about the mismanagement of resources at the United Bulawayo Hospital, and the top management and the institution is now under fire. Can you take us through today's events during the tour at the UBH?
A lot was said, tempers really fled. It was just a dramatic afternoon. People were emotional, emotions were high, but the minister said that when all is said and done, they are going to dispatch a team of investigators and auditors to come and look into the situation and try to put things right at the hospital. And he was saying that definitely heads are going to roll, and some people are most probably going to lose their jobs. He was also speaking whilst we were on tour, when we attended, was speaking to the principal human resources officer at the hospital and also the principal nursing officer. He was quizzing them about a number of issues that he was saying were amiss at the hospital, and was saying that due to all the issues of misconduct that he was mentioning, patients are not able to access quality healthcare services at the United Bulawayo Hospital, and at the end of the day, it's government and other public entities that are blamed, yet the issues are to do with conduct and hospital administration. So he was saying that it is high time that public institutions and central hospitals change the manner of how they do things and how they conduct themselves, so that the end user, who is the patient who walks into a hospital, manages to access proper quality services. So this is what we have at the moment, but we will be updating as we get more information as to what is happening. There was no time for us to get a comment from the people that the deputy minister was accusing of all these shenanigans that he was talking about.
Konapo Konapo, Ipapo Ipapo pa ZTN Prime, DSTV channel 294, the place to be.